Hello everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Grey on Tech TV, and in this video, I just want to show you a use case of OpenAI, that is ChatGPT-3, where I have created an age calculator using the API of OpenAI, and I've utilized ChatGPT API call to calculate the age based upon the input age of the user. So here I'm using a site to display my interface. So let's calculate a random age. So let's take it 10th of April 1995 uh, and calculate the age. As you can see, there is a API request that we are sending to ChatGPT to calculate the age, and we got our age as per the response. So see, this response is not completely controlled by what we can get, but the purpose is being solved that we are getting our actual age. So we can also calculate another age by clicking on the button below, and we can utilize this API to do n number of tasks depending upon our use case. So it depends on our actual use and the tokens that we are consuming. We are getting the accurate age based upon the input date we are putting up. So if you really like this implementation, motivate me by subscribing my channel, and I will explain you the actual implementation that I have done in the upcoming video. Also, if you have any use case based upon AI which you want me to build in Appian, just put down in the comment section and definitely I will try to implement that in Appian. So till then, keep watching. Thank you.